How's it going, guys? It's Bainey here, and welcome to video 2 of how to generate an income online using Facebook ads. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to set a basic Facebook page. If you've already got a business running, you probably already have a Facebook page set up. If you haven't yet, and you're just picking a product now, or you've found a product and you haven't set anything like this up yet, this is going to be perfect. So I'm going to show you how to do it. So all you need is your basic Facebook profile, your personal profile. It should look something like this, depending on when you're watching it. Facebook likes to change around a fair bit. So if you're on a desktop, scroll down to pages on the left-hand side. As you can see, I've got a few pages here already because I manage a few pages. And you just go down to create new page. So I'm going to set it up from scratch. And let's go with, I do a lot of work for baby clothes stores. So baby clothes R Us. Category. Clothing. So obviously you just pick whatever, whichever one works best for you. Have a description. Yeah, obviously you can make that a lot better and go create page. Okay, that's already taken. Australia. Something like that. Obviously, if the name's already taken, you can't do it, so just, create a page. Cool. Now you just obviously add whatever you want. So just for example purposes, let's just run with these. Obviously, you're going to have your own pictures set up, so put whatever pictures are best suited for your business. You put your number there if you like. I'm going to blur this out, but actually that's just for WhatsApp, so you could probably just can that. Just X out of it for now. Are you sure? Yes, I want to leave. That's just connecting WhatsApp. Just don't worry about it for now. And that's very basically how you set up your Facebook page. So then you can go along here and you can edit this. So if you've got a website already set up, great. Come down here and you'd say shop now, and you put your website in there and save it. You can go through and fill out all the details on the page as well. So if you want a username, which I recommend you do, so actually choose, sometimes it doesn't let you pick a username until you've got 50 or 100 likes or something like that, but I'll show you how to get quick likes later on, so don't worry too much about that. But you can come through here and go to the about and fill out all the details you need to. You start times, you open times, stuff like that. Start posting content on your page and start building that up. So that, guys, is video 2 of how to generate income online using Facebook ads. Like I said in the first video, if you're interested in learning much more about how to generate income online, I'm going to leave a link to my Mentors Masterclass below. I highly recommend you check it out. So that's it for this video, guys, and I'll see you on the next video where I'll show you how to season your fan page correctly so Facebook doesn't shut you down and ban your ad accounts and stuff like that. So I'll see you on the next video.